Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So let me show you the latest update for Aimogen, which adds support for NVIDIA language models, and you will be able to use these real fast language models from NVIDIA. So Aimogen is linked in this video description. Go ahead guys and check it, and let me show you how you can integrate NVIDIA language models with Llama and these Nemotron models, which are really great. So to get started, update Aimogen to the latest version. Go to the settings menu, API keys tab, and you will see here the NVIDIA AI menu option listed. Add your API key. To get an API key, click on this link. You will be granted access to this page. Create an account, and after you sign up and log in to your account, be sure to click on model. So getting your API key is a bit tricky here. Because of this, you will need to click on any of these models, and afterwards a similar page will show up. Click on build with this NIM, and this page will pop up. So click here on hosted API and generate API key. This is how you can get your API key and get started. So this API key needs to be added in the NVIDIA AI API keys menu in the plugin, and afterwards you will be able to go to chatbot, for example, and in the API parameters tab you will be able to select NVIDIA models. So there are many good NVIDIA models here. Let me show you, for example, a model, one which is the Nemotron model, which is specific to NVIDIA. It is based on the Llama model, and let me ask it something. Hi, and it responds real fast because these NVIDIA models are high performance. They run on NVIDIA GPUs and they work really fast. So let me ask it to count to 100, and it is actually started counting now. Yeah, so here it is. The NVIDIA model is generating the text right now, and it is counting, and it's finally got to 100. So you will see many of these NVIDIA models listed here. You can select the one which works best for you. Go ahead and check. There are multiple options. Also, these are available in the AI content editor, Omniblocks, bulk AI post creator, in the short codes and AI forms, and you will be able to give it a try also in the playground. So if you want to use these models, just be sure to select these models in the model selection where you want to use them. So these all will be available in all model selections from around Aimogen. So go ahead guys and check Aimogen. It is linked in this video description. If you have more ideas, suggestions for future updates, let me know in the comments. I am glad to read them and reply to them. So thank you for watching. This is all for today. Bye bye.